remove your CPU, it's really simple. You want to have the top and cover off, everything's unplugged, and you want to have your cables out of the way so you get your fingers in here. You're going to pull straight up and remove your chip. If you need to apply a little pressure, that's fine, but you're going to really want to try to pull firmly straight up. You don't want to angle it because you could risk bending the pins. Then you're going to simply take your new CPU and make sure you want to be able to read the label going forward. You don't want it to be reversed from you. That'll make sure it's lined up correctly. Line up the pins. You're going to give it pressure going straight down. And you'll feel it secure itself right in place. And that's it. Very simple to replace your CPU.